This one came from a master gardener, and it was in their rose garden. Some rose roots. You can see some roots of some of the plant here. And this is a big insect. I wanted to get this out so I can show it to you. This is a huge one. This is called a Prionus beetle. And you can see it's pretty good size. If I grabbed it, it will start to try to bite me because it has some pretty good sized jaws on the mouth. Now this insect can actually cause some real damage to trees. They like to feed on the roots of deciduous trees. And they can actually be an agricultural pest as well. So in citrus orchards or in vineyards and on hops in California. This insect is called the Prionus beetle or Prionus californicus. And it may be another species. There's a lot of Prionus species around, but this is a very, very common one in Southern California, and it can be found all the way from Alaska to Mexico. So like I said, it could be an agricultural pest, but this insect right here will turn into an adult beetle. This is the immature form, or the grub form, that lives in the soil feeding on the roots of plants. So it can actually girdle a root and cause damage. But then there's the adult that will emerge. The adults will come out in the spring. They pupate in the soil. So this one will make a pupal case and a little cell inside the soil, real near the surface. And then it will form the pupa, turn into a beetle, a flying beetle. And it's a pretty large beetle. It can be up to 3 inches or so long, or about 6 or 7 centimeters. And then it will fly, and they'll mate and lay their eggs and die pretty rapidly. It's the immature form here, this one, that lasts a long time, that grows and lives a long time in the soil, about a year before it becomes an adult. And so this is what you're going to see in rose gardens or other garden areas or around trees in softer soil. And when it's in the soft soil like this, it can really move very quickly and feed on the roots, girdling roots and damaging roots very severely. Now there's not a lot of them typically around a tree, so they're not always going to destroy a tree, but they should be pretty common as an adult, flying and seeing them pretty well.